you're experiencing issues with voice chat in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and set it up correctly. This guide will help you ensure that your voice chat is functioning properly. Step 1. Check audio settings. Navigate to the audio settings in CS2. Ensure that the voice chat option is enabled and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Adjust the volume levels as needed. Step 2. Verify microphone permissions. Make sure that CS2 has permission to access your microphone. Check your operating system's privacy settings to confirm that the game is allowed to use the microphone. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Go to your device manager and check for updates for your audio drivers. Install any available updates and restart your computer. Step 4. Test your microphone. Before jumping back into the game, test your microphone outside of CS2. Use a voice recording application or another communication tool to ensure your microphone is working properly. Step 5. Restart the game. After making the necessary adjustments, restart CS2 to apply the changes. Rejoin a game and test the voice chat to see if the issue has been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with voice chat in CS2. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or support channels for further assistance.